All right. Let's see. For this one is for page 232 on our workbook book. So it should be day 2. Should be day 2. So it should be on there. We have trapezoids, day 2, page 232 and 233. We'll do 232 first, then we'll do 233. 232 is just well, just in case. Let's see, just in case we have comments. I'm going to detach this. I didn't think about this at all. All right. So for this one, page 232, they are trying to explain. Again, they're asking you a question of how can you figure out the stuff inside here of this trapezoid, which is basically the area. Anytime we do an area, we're just trying to see how much space is inside inside this two-dimensional shape. For this word problem, it tells us the dimensions of the trapezoid, which they write down here, and they say that the base is 10. Let me zoom in there. They tell us that the base is 10. Our top part of our trapezoid is 5, which is the other base, and our height is 4 inches. Remember that this right here, that is not our height. That is just the side of the trapezoid. Our height is actually 4 inches. And then they go on to explain that you can separate this trapezoid into two triangles and one rectangle. And they give you the dimensions for that as well. So I actually want to explain how they get from this one to this one. Isn't the title in English? Yeah, but I'm gonna do Spanish videos, so they're gonna say like Spanish page whatever, English page whatever, so you'll know which one to do with which language. But again, I wanted to explain real quick. I gotta get used to this. How they got from here to here. So let's screenshot it real quick. If you don't know, on the Mac it's Command Shift 4. And we're gonna paste it onto our drawing board. I think I'm getting better at this. Let's see, open, recent. Where's this screenshot? There you go. Again, give me some time. Let me place it up here. Should be enough. And then let's make that canvas size pretty big. There we go. So for this problem, let's see, where are you? There we go. To get from this measurement 10 on our base to 5 and 2.5 on each side, they do this. They subtract the first base. So they subtract, not the first base, they subtract the total base of the longest base, which is this one, which is 10. They subtract this base minus the other base. And our other base here, let's just make it orange, would be 5. So they're subtracting this by this. When they subtract this, we're going to get 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. I'll write it here just in case. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now this remaining 5 needs to get split between, so let's pretend you do make a triangle. Let's say make a triangle here, and you make a triangle here. So the triangles are right here, 1, 2. If you cut this 5 part off of this 10 loses 5 and only has 5 left over. And now we need to separate that 5 between this side and this side. So you're separating between two sides. This 5 is getting split between two sides. This one and this one. When we do this, again, we've gone over this before. Let's do it real quick. When we do this, when we get this, we have 2.5, meaning each side or each height of this triangle would be 2.5, and this height would be 2.5. And I say height because, like, if you flip this around, it wouldn't be the base anymore. It would be the height. The base of this triangle is this 4 inches, and the base of this triangle is 4 inches. So when you solve this, or when you, well, that should be the next video. Just because the next video goes over, let's see, where are we? I guess the next video can show, it's asking you what you need to do to find the area of those triangles, so I'll explain it more in the other video. But when we find the area of this trapezoid, you need to add the area of this rectangle here and add the areas of the triangle and the triangle. And you have to remember that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. And just for a rectangular, it's base times height. So this problem, it's a little bit like this problem up here, where we needed to add this area plus 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 this area. This time, you're just adding 3 areas up together. This rectangle and these 2 triangles. And the triangle area should be the same on each side. So I'll go over page 233 on the next video.